Rinse inner pot and all accessories with warm, soapy water. And wipe down clean. This rice cooker has a 4-cup uncooked rice minimum. First, measure your rice. Rinse 2 to 3 times to remove any excess starch. Drain until the water is clear. Add water to the number 4 cup line inside the pot. Wipe down the outside of the inner pot to make sure that all is dry. Place inner pot inside the rice cooker and place lid. Plug in the rice cooker into a 120 volt outlet. Press down switch to begin to cook. Once the rice is done, it'll switch to warm. Stir rice evenly, then put lid back on and let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Unplug rice cooker and wipe down body with a warm, damp cloth. Inner pot and lid are dishwasher safe. Accessories are dishwasher safe on the top rack only.